For the second activity, you need to return to your journal. You will then use the plus button to add something new, and we're going to use the photo. We want to take a picture of yourself, so make sure your head is in the screen, and when you're ready, you're going to use this to take a picture, and you're going to turn yourself into an April Fool, so it can be a silly picture. So if you like the photo, you're going to click the green check one time. Or you could retake the photo and try again. So now I'm going to click the green check one time, and I can draw on my face. Since it's April Fool's Day, you want to make yourself look like an April Fool. So I might start with giving myself a big red nose. Woo! I might give myself a mustache. Perhaps I'll give myself big bushy eyebrows also. You could always give yourself glasses. If you want to give yourself hair or kind of a silly hat, you could do that also. But the idea is that you're going to make yourself look kind of foolish since it's April Fool's Day. The last piece that you want to do, though, is you want to add a label. And if you want to move it, I'm going to move mine to the corner and click on it. Now I can use my keyboard. And I want to make an uppercase A so I can do my caps lock and then press A. And I can hit caps lock to turn it off because I want a lowercase p, r, I, l, then a space, and I want a capital F for Fool. So caps lock on, F, and I'll click caps lock on the keyboard to turn it off, O-O-L. And then I could change the style. And if I use these corners, it can make it really big. And when you're all set, you're going to click that green check 2 times to save your foolish picture.